Hello there, thanks for joining me on my channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I blow dry my daughter's 4C hair in less than 5 minutes. And at the end of the video, I'll be showing you a cute hairstyle I gave to her for school the next morning. So stay with me. The first thing I did, which I did off camera, was to detangle her hair, add moisturizers and heat protectant. The next thing I did was section her hair into 6 sections because it's so much easier for me to blow dry her hair when I have it in sections. Now I'll be using my trusted friend, the Yellow Bird blow dryer, because it's the best blow dryer I know. Well, it's the best blow dryer I have ever used, and I have been using it for years. It comes with a concentrated nozzle and a thick comb, which you see attached to my blow dryer right now. I have tried the other method with the nozzle and the brush. However, of the two, I prefer this big comb and the blow dryer. Now I'm going to go through her hair in sections because it's the easiest way to blow dry any hair. So if you're having problems blow drying your hair with the comb or with the brush, I'd suggest that you section your hair into 5 or 6 sections and address them one by one, and you'll find that it cuts blow drying the hair into half or even less. You're going to see that I'm going to do this on neutral speed in less than 5 minutes. Stick and stay with me. It is important that you detangle your hair prior to blow drying. If not, the comb will get stuck in the hair and then you may be tempted to snag it and rip your hair out. So I suggest you put in your moisturizers and your heat protectant and anything that you use prior to applying heat to your hair, and use a wide tooth comb just like I did and thoroughly comb through your hair prior to blow drying. This will save you trouble, save your hair, and save you time. As you can see, the comb is gliding through her hair because her hair is properly detangled. Hey, I'm so happy you made it to the last section. I'm grateful you're still here. I'm asking you kindly, do me a favor by just clicking the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it if you do. And if you know of anyone who could benefit from this video, or you know of anyone who is struggling to blow dry their hair when they do, please share this video so it could be helpful to them and also to me. Thank you. I'm all done in less than 5 minutes. Now it's time to brush her hair. I love brushing hair. I don't know why, but I love brushing hair. I will brush your hair all day if you allow me to. I remember when going to school, I would brush my hair so much that when I put it up into a ponytail, no storm, no hurricane could get one strand up because I would brush it so many times that it would just stay laid. And back then, when Moses parted the Red Sea, there was no styling gel, there was no edge control, so just as how I'm doing my daughter's hair without all the gel and additive, that's how I used to comb my hair, and I'd brush it and it would stay neat all day. So now we're on to the little hairstyle. I did a triangle section from the front of her head to the back, well, not really the back, a little past the middle, and now I'm doing smaller sections, tying them with rubber bands. It is self-explanatory, so I'm going to be quiet so you can watch. Now onto this bun. I'd like to create a bun, however I don't have a store-bought bun like these ones on the left, so I'm going to create my own. So I use 3 strands of Afro Kinky Yaman hair to create volume. I don't want her bun to look dried out and thirsty, so I want a fluffy bun. So this is what I'm doing. I wrap the hair strands around the hair tie, and then I'm going to create the bun. Keep watching. This is quite an easy bun to create. I remember doing this when I was a teenager. I always made buns. Now I put the rubber band over it and I'm gonna fluff it. It's kind of uneven, so I'm fluffing it. Then I'm gonna put another hair tie, and the hair that is left sticking out, I'm just gonna tuck them beneath the hair tie. Now this is where I add a little oomph. I twist 2 strands of the Marley Kinky braid, and I'm gonna wrap it around her bun to create an illusion as though that is her hair. And I'm gonna take 2 bobby pins and secure it. And this is her back to school hairstyle. I hope you like it, because I do. Give a thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of it.